Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I discussed about what is market. The main general concept: a market is a place where two parties can gather to facilitate the exchange of goods and services. The market is a place with two parties can be gathered to facilitate the exchange of goods and services. The parties involved are usually buyers and sellers. The market can be physical, like a retailer outlet where people meet face to face, or virtual, like an online marketing where there is no direct physical contact between buyer and seller. The term marketing derives from the word market, which refers to a group of seller and buyer that cooperate to exchange goods and services. The modern concept of marketing evolved during and after the Industrial Revolution in the 19th and 20th century. Market are involved two parties like a seller and buyer who provide service and goods. According to Philip Kotler, satisfying needs and wants through an exchange process. Marketing are involved satisfying needs and wants through a through an exchange process. In general concept, marketing are not only buy and sell, but other hand satisfy our customers to exchange goods and services to come again. Not one time marketing. Marketing is a regular customer who come to buy a product. Understanding marketing management. Understanding marketing management is a very important aspect to knowledge what is all about. According to Philip Kotler, who defined marketing is the process of planning and implementation of ideas, pricing, promotion, and distribution of goods and services to produce exchange that meet the goal of individual and organization. Exchange is the basic principle of marketing. Life all depend on exchange relation. Organization to obtain the necessary resources, then convert the resources into products and services and distribute them efficiently to the target market. Every market depend on pricing, promotion, and distribution of goods. services to exchange that meet the goal of individual and organization. Every market target audience, target customer. Simply define of marketing management. In simple words, marketing management is the art and science of choosing target markets and getting keep and growing customer through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer, and it can be seen below how companies target their market offering to meet market and consumer needs. The definitions are clearly defined as marketing is art and science. Who choose target customer, target market, what type of your product you are sell and launch in market, which type of customer, consumer who are purchase our goods and services. Main thing every marketing management are concerned our target customer, target market, who define which type of our product we launch in market. Of choosing target markets and getting keep and growing customer through creating, delivering and communicating our superior customer value. Marketing management not a easy work, but there are many of planning. How can implement your plan? How can choose your target customer, target market, which type of product? You firstly define and point out how to launch and how can you sell your product in your market. These are most important part to choose your target market and target people in our market. There are so many difficulties in our market, but there are many type of competitor available. But how can you manage and how can you manage your product like quality, unique name, pricing, determine your many of aspect. The most important thing in your marketing management. Every market and marketer are who done how can you sell your product and how can you growing our customer, creating a customer, delivering of goods and better services. How can you communicate to your customer to satisfy our needs? How can you sales and how can buyer purchase our goods in a market? They are not easy, but not impossible. So today I have discussed about market and marketing management. They are most important parts of every market and marketing management strength. So please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and I want to again upload my next video. Thank you to joining us my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my channel. Thank you.